Hi, this is John with Natural Concrete Products. You're thinking about a deck project? Try out our HANDI Block. Our HANDI Block is a lightweight deck support block. It's made from a unique blend of cement and fiber to give you the strength and durability of concrete, yet it retains a third of the weight of traditional concrete. Our deck block is designed to accept a 4x4 support beam. However, most places are using a 6x6. The unique properties make this modifiable easily with any woodworking tools. So if you need a double joist, you can cut it out, or to notch out the top better for the 6x6. It's easily done with any woodworking tools you have. It will also accept a screw. If you need to screw the bracket into it or your support beam into it, you can put a screw in it, just simply like wood. The HANDI Block by Natural Concrete Products is very versatile as it's easily modified to fit any design parameters you may have. Please visit our website at naturalconcreteproducts.com for more information.